Hi everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over a 2017 Forest River Salem 201 BH. We're going to start on the inside and we'll finish off going over the exterior. Follow me. Welcome everybody. So we've got in this little trailer, we've got a couch and a bed. Nice to have a couch in a trailer this size. So what you do is you lower it down. You unpin it, and down comes the Murphy bed. And it's actually a really comfortable bed. A lot of people have issues and think these are going to be difficult to lower down and put back away, but I can tell you, it is absolutely easy. Nothing to it. And like I said, in a trailer this size, it's very difficult to get a couch and your dinette, so this gives you both, which is great. Nice kitchen in here. We've got a nice sink here, good size. Down the way from that, we've got a 3-burner stove here with an oven below and a microwave above. Ample storage, built-in place for your silverware. Nice place for pots and pans. And up above the sink here, a good place for your plates and bowls. As we move down, we do have additional pantry here. You can put a lot of stuff in here, boxes of cereal, etc. And all these drawers here. We've got the bunks here in the far back, 2 of them. Window for both, USBs for both, and 110 for the bottom one. So you've got everything you need to keep the kids happy and content before bed. Across, you've got a nice big booth dinette. Plenty of room for everybody to sit around and enjoy each other's company. A place to mount a TV above, an all-in-one media player, and additional storage throughout. We've got a good-sized Dometic fridge, freezer combination here, and all the way in the back we have our bathroom. We've got our tub shower combination with the skylight, our nice medicine cabinet and sink with storage below, and our toilet with good leg room here. You can see we've got a large electric awning out here. It's going to go out 8 feet. Nice, great big window. You're going to be eating in there. That's where your dinette's located, so it's a great place to just kind of enjoy the morning breakfast and look outside and enjoy the view. You've got outside speakers, a light, access for the back of the refrigerator, so this is really only for a technician here. You've got some 110 in case you need any power outside. You do have manual stabilizers on all 4 corners. Place to store your sewer hose and your bumper, and this rack on the back, which is just fabulous. It holds coolers, wood, bicycles, a really nice feature to have. We've got the tags here are good for a few more months anyways. Cable and satellite connection here. And you've got some additional exterior storage here on the back side. Looks like they've tucked away a dog bed and your power cord back there right now. That's kind of cool. They've already added on the insect protector for keeps them out of your, basically keeps yellow jackets and bees out of your water heater there. It's a nice thing to have. Hot and cold outside shower here. It's lockable. This is where your power cord will connect, your 30 amp cord that was stored in that back bay. City water connection. Fresh water connection for potable if you're going to take water with you and do dry camping. This is your furnace exhaust here, so this does get hot, and they do have another cover over the top of that, which is just nice. You don't have to add that after the fact. Do a good job keeping the insects out. Here we go on our pass-through storage up front. Tremendous amount of room there. I want to thank you for taking the time to check out Guaranty's website. Again, my name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.